Namaskar, good evening. I'm Dr. Surendra, and today I'll discuss two things with you. What is ethics, and why should a person be ethical? I'll answer these in a way that's easy for the common person and you, civil services aspirants, to understand. Let's start with the first question. What is ethics? I define it in two ways. First, ethics is like a medicine for humanity's collective pain. If we could somehow feed this medicine called ethics to the whole human race, 90% of the world's pain would vanish. Why? Because most pain comes from exploitation, inequality, injustice, things ethics can cure. Think about it. Exploitation because someone grabbed another's land, corruption because someone demands a bribe, inequality from caste systems or patriarchy, sexual violence like rape or molestation by men against women, these are all painful. Ethics wipes them out. More examples. Someone makes fake medicines or adulterated sweets and milk, harming thousands of kids' health. Someone steals midday meal grains, leaving children malnourished. That's pain caused by unethical acts like adulteration and fraud. Or take a teacher chosen by the government to teach in a primary school, earning 50,000 to 60,000 rupees. Instead of teaching there, he's busy with private tuitions. Kids in that school suffer. Weak foundations mean no jobs later. Pain again from neglecting duty. Those kids won't get jobs because their base isn't strong. Unemployment breeds more pain. A doctor tied to medical companies writes fake prescriptions, patients don't heal, they suffer. An official demands a bribe for your work, pain. Someone seizes your land, pain. Exploitation everywhere, pain. What causes this? Corruption, inequality, duty evasion, fraud, fakes, adulteration, hoarding, all unethical. Remove these from the world and see what happens. A world where no one violates rights, no molestation of women, no caste or color bias, no shirking duties, pain would shrink. That's what ethics does. It reduces pain. If humans became ethical, pain in this world would drop massively. How? By stopping these acts at their root. That's the medicine I'm talking about, ethics. Even if you're ethical, you might still suffer in an unethical world. You buy milk or medicine from a store. How do you know it's not adulterated? You might be powerful, but fake stuff still reaches you. Ethics protects everyone, not just the weak. Imagine a world with no such pain. That's what ethics builds. It's the cure for all these diseases, exploitation, fraud, injustice. I call ethics the biggest pain destroyer in human life. No doubt about that. It's tough to remove the world's pain completely, sure. But can we stop fraud in society? Can we stop inequality, molestation? Yes, we can try. And if we did, pain would plummet, no question. Picture this. You go to a doctor with no fear he'll feed you fake drugs or collude with companies to write useless prescriptions. You buy milk or sweets with zero doubt about adulteration. Pain drops because trust rises. That's an ethical world where you don't suspect the shopkeeper, where kids eat safe food, where no one wonders if they're being cheated. No debate here. If ethics enters the world, pain reduces. The dispute is how to bring it, not if it works. Now, the second way I define ethics. It's the world's biggest security wheel and insurance policy. Bigger than God sometimes. It's the ultimate trust, the ultimate assurance, more than anything else. Why bigger than God? We seek security from elders at home, from Hanuman through prayers, from car insurance, so if there's an accident, the company covers repairs. Life insurance means if you die, your kids aren't broke. It's all about safety, removing insecurity. You insure goods, so if they're lost, you're compensated. Same with life. If you're gone, your family's secure. That's why we pray, hands folded before God. Oh Lord, don't let drought hit. Don't let floods come, bring rain. We start rituals to please Indra Dev for safety. Disease spreads, someone's gravely ill. The doctor says, prayers might help. So we pray, God as a giant insurance policy. Lord, heal this sickness, bring rain on time, save our crops, keep troubles away. That's the human need for security. God's that ultimate safety net we crave, Shiva as a policy. Remove disease, bring water, save us. But here's my point, ethics does this too, and better. It's the root of divine trust. Without ethics, God wouldn't be God. What's the difference between God with ethics and without? An ethical God helps the pained, comes for Draupadi, saves an elephant whose legs caught by a crocodile in the Quran's alligator tail. Ethics makes God intervene. The Gita says it. Whenever righteousness weakens, O Bharat, I'll appear. Looters laugh. Look, he's promising. But judgment day comes, God settles scores. That's ethics. God's essence is ethical. So yes, ethics is the biggest insurance, bigger than any policy for men or women. If men treated women equally, women could walk at 2 a.m. safely. Today, with 7 to 8 billion people, half 4 billion women fear night because of unethical men. If men dropped molestation from their minds, women could stroll at 11 p.m. or midnight without dread. That fear in 4 billion minds would vanish. You'd see them on streets at midnight, no locks, no CCTV needed. Why locks and security systems now? Because we're insecure, someone might steal. Ethics means no theft, no fear. That's the security ethics brings, beyond what police or cameras can do. All insurance companies together can't match ethics safety. It's society's car insurance, giving confidence that with ethics, no one molests, no one cheats. Walk in Norway or Finland, you feel safe, no harassment. But in Afghanistan, India, Pakistan, you won't roam at 11 p.m. or midnight like in Finland or Norway. Ethics is that safety net, pain destroyer and insurer, boosting trust over police, armies, CCTV, all those crime stoppers. With ethics, trust grows, health improves, joy rises, progress speeds up. Less police spending, more on education, health. Life quality climbs. Ethics is the most effective tool to cut pain, the biggest shield against insecurity. 3 ways to see it: pain destroyer, trust builder, insecurity killer. Look at the worlds, Europe's ethical nations versus Southeast Asia or South Asia like Pakistan, India. You feel the difference in mental safety. Go to Scandinavian countries, security feels real. Try Rawalpindi, Pakhtunkhwa or a Bihar district, you won't feel it. Same kidneys, livers, hearts, blood, but ethics changes everything. That's what I hope you grasp about ethics today. Next time, I'll tackle. With all these benefits, why don't people become ethical? And how do we bring ethics into the world? That's for our next session. For now, I hope you've got a solid start on ethics for your exams and your roles as future civil servants. Namaskar.